In today's video, I'm going to provide you with all the information you need to help you choose the perfect portable restroom deodorizer for your business. I'm Cody Boyd, and my family has been innovating and manufacturing deodorizers in the portable restroom business for over 58 years. In this video, we're going to go over 3 different choices you're going to have to make when choosing the perfect deodorizer for your portable restroom business. The 3 choices include liquid versus portion control drop-ins, what type of formula do you want to use, and what strength level / price point are you going to want to be at. And stay tuned at the end of the video because we're going to be going over a 4th choice that you can only choose here at J&J. But before we get into that first choice you're going to have to make sure you subscribe and hit that bell for notifications because we're going to be dropping a lot more educational content this year than ever before. So make sure you're subscribed and get ready for more content. The first choice you're going to have to make when choosing the perfect portable restroom deodorizer for your business is whether you want to go with liquid or pre-portioned drop-ins. Both liquid deodorizers and pre-portioned drop-ins are effective odor control solutions for portable restrooms, but they both offer their unique individual advantages. Pre-portioned drop-in tablets and packets are designed for convenience and price control. Because they're pre-measured, there's no guesswork involved when servicing the toilet. Just drop one in and pour 5 to 7 gallons of water in the tank and you're done. They also help reduce spills, overuse, and wasted product, making them a popular choice for operators who want to control their cost. Liquid deodorizers, on the other hand, offer greater flexibility. They allow operators to adjust dosage levels based on conditions such as temperature, usage, or event type. Liquid are also available in a wider range of fragrance options and formulas, making them ideal for operators who want more control over performance and scent. Ultimately, the choice often comes down to workflow preference and how much control you want your drivers and operators over dosage levels. Once you've made your first choice, liquid versus pre-portioned drop-ins, and you decide which one you want, then you can move on to the second choice in the process. The second choice in this process is which specific formula is right for your business. Also, don't forget, at the end of the video, we're going to be going over a 4th choice that is exclusive to J&J products. Now, let's go through the options in your second choice. Which formula is right for your business? First, we're going to be going over our liquid formulas. For our liquids, they generally fall into 2 specific categories: formaldehyde-based product or a non-formaldehyde-based product. Formaldehyde-based products were primarily used in the early days of the industry because they provide immediate odor suppression. However, due to regulatory restrictions in many countries and states, many people have flipped to non-formaldehyde-based products. If you decide you want to use a formaldehyde-based product, check with your local regulatory restrictions first. Our formaldehyde product is our Destroyer Liquid Power. Your other liquid option is a non-formaldehyde-based product. Our non-formaldehyde deodorizers use modern odor neutralizing technology that delivers long-lasting odor control without harsh chemical fumes. While the formaldehyde-based products may provide a strong initial impact, they can dissipate more quickly, especially in warm conditions. The non-formaldehyde formulas continue working over time and are generally safer for technicians and end users alike. Our non-formaldehyde liquid formula is our Truex Liquid Power series. We have it available in a wide variety of different sizes, and we also include it in this portion control squeeze bottle that is available to help you portion out when you're servicing your toilets. Those are our 2 liquid formulas you have to choose from. Now, we're going to be going over our pre-portioned drop-in formulas that you can choose from. Here at J&J, we offer 3 different pre-portioned drop-in formulas: our Pro Packs, our Truex Power Packet, and our EverPro tablet. Our Truex Power Packets represent J&J's newest packet technology. These water-soluble packets are our top odor control technology in our pre-portioned drop-in lineup, while also delivering long-lasting deep blue color and fragrance. Then we have our Pro Packs packets. Pro Packs is J&J's original packet formula, trusted by operators for years. These packets are water-soluble, containing a self-mixing agent, and feature a strong dye profile. And finally, we have our EverPro Elite tablets. Our EverPro tablets are effervescent, self-mixing tablets formulated to eliminate odors while providing long-lasting, deep blue color and fragrance. These tablets are fully wrapped in dissolvable film. These can be handled with wet hands without popping. They have a self-mixing formula, no agitation required, They dissolve effectively in brine, making it the ideal pre-portion drop-in for cold weather applications. Those are the different formulas you have to choose from. If you're still struggling on making a decision in the second choice after this video, don't hesitate to reach out to us on our customer service team or your sales rep. You can call us at 1-800-345-3303 and we'll help you go through all these different options. But for the video's sake, I'm gonna assume you just made a decision on the second choice. And now that you know what specific deodorizer you wanna use for your portable restroom business, now we have to go over what strength and what price point do you want for your business. Choosing the strength of your deodorizer is just as important as choosing the right product. The strength depends on your climate, how often the toilets are used, and how often the toilets are serviced. For hot climates or heavy usage, we suggest our high strength formulas, which perform best in extreme heat or high traffic situations. These products offer enhanced odor control, increased fragrance intensity, and stronger dye levels to maintain appearance and performance between your services. For moderate climates or average use, we have mid-strength formulas that are ideal for standard service schedules and typical daily use. They provide reliable odor control without overusing product when it's not super hot outside. For cold weather or daily service routes, we suggest a lower dosage or ready-to-use options that are often sufficient during colder months of the year and when units are serviced frequently. These can be a cost-effective solution without sacrificing performance. When in doubt, it's usually better to choose a higher concentrated product. That ensures that it's not going to stink when you deodorize your toilets, depending on the climate and depending on the usage. The higher the product, the better performance you're gonna get when you add 5 to 7 gallons of water. And if you've heard all this and you're still in doubt on which strength you should get for where you are geographically, what's your situation, how often you're gonna be servicing, again, feel free to reach out to us. We help people with this all day. This is what we do. We help operators understand the choices they have when picking a deodorizer. Call us at 1-800-345-3303 and we can help walk you through the steps on picking the perfect deodorizer for your business. If you want to right now look at our specific strength levels we have for each product, I've linked our website below. Find the product that you chose in choice 2 on our website and look at the different strength options we have. You can call in and ask us about these strength options like I said before, and we can help you make the perfect choice. And finally, now that you've made your 3 choices that we have in this video, we now have our 4th choice that is exclusive to J&J products, and that is our made in-house proprietary fragrances. We have a huge variety of fragrances available in all of our products that we make in-house, and they are proprietary to J&J. I recommend sampling a few different fragrances and finding ones that you like. Maybe keep like 3 or 4 in your head that you like and rotate between fragrances to prevent fragrance fatigue for your customers. And now that we've gone over all the choices you're gonna have to make when choosing the perfect portable restroom deodorizer for your business, make sure you check out the quote form we have linked below. And if you like any of these products or wanna try them out, call us again at 1-800-345-3303 or fill out the quote form below and we'll get back in touch with you and we can help you decide which is the best deodorizer for your business. Thanks guys. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell for notifications, and stay tuned for more content just like this.